In front of me is Motorola Edge 16 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling to tap on Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Now hit Open under Google and choose Google Password Manager. If you don't see Add Password option, that means that you never added one before. You need at least one to add them manually. So to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner and make sure Over to Save Passwords is on. Then leave Settings opened in the background and log in into any website or any app that requires an account. Wait for the pop-up to show. When it does, select Save and then go back to Google Password Manager. With first password, you will see Add Password option. So now you can tap on it and add any other one manually. At the top, input any website, or tap on Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. Once you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!